So hi guys, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, I do want to say welcome to my channel, welcome. And if you are a returning subbies, I do want to say thank you, hey, thank you, hey, thank you for coming back to me. Yeah, I have been missing for 2 weeks, for 2 whole Sundays. I'm gonna post the video oh me, but so alright, so I have been going through some personal stuff, but now I'm back, and yeah, so for today's video is my first time I'm going to be using my flat iron, to do my hair. Yes, so today I'm gonna be pressing out my hair. What? I'm going to try and press out my hair. No, Jizzy, no, run, come look here, girl. I'm doing my makeup. I'm not coming over there right now. She there, so she go press out her ears, sir. Huh? You serious? No way. Yes. You know, no matter what I'm chat about, me I go do it today. So Gina, you better eat protector. Oh no, shit, I forget to buy it, you know. This is gonna be a bad idea. I'm just going to mess up all your hair. I'm glad I'm not you. Probably it not work out for real, but me want to try it and me want to see how it look. Okay, I'm gonna see how this turn out. Whatever, me go still do it. Me still I go do it. Listen, me just have the 2 of them about here, and me I do me something myself and leave me alone. No, it now go take long. Well, hopefully it not take long. Anyway, as you can see, it stretched out already from the previous hairstyle when we did have some in a blow dry it or anything. So and it all already and something. So I could start. I think I'm gonna start from the front. I think I'm gonna start from the front, you know. Let me see how one strand look. When time it do. Hold on. You look like it's stretched now. No. I think I do something wrong. I guess start at the back. What kind of curling iron them people are using them press out their natural hair? Because I probably do it too thin, no, too thick. Hold on, wait. Alright, so the back. Let us go the back again. What a calamity, Titi. It had the truth to do. This hot man. Da da dee, da da do. Alright, so how me have it in my head? How me have it in my head say it would have come out. It kinda not work out for me. Wanna see it? But this art, you know, it look like the wrong flat iron may I use. This don't look like it a work out for me. Listen, I try to do my best. I not tell no lie. And then I make sure it's straighten out. And what I do, I use my scissors. Yeah. And just clip it. Clip the end. Because I watch on YouTube and she said the best way to get rid of some of the ends them or whatever. You have to straighten the ear, forget it. I think I have to go on real salad. We can actually get this because girl, I'm loving it. Ha! Look at it. Push it. Push it. Whatever. I'm done running this already. I'm done curl this already. You see it? It look like you can go on down. No, this serious. I'm going to go straighten over back that side here. Does it look like that side here? I'm straightening it already, you know. Just stop. I see it gone back. Alright, I'm going to do it again. Listen, it don't make no sense me straighten it again. I could just leave it so. Honestly, I feel sorry for you. You come out like how I want if you come out though. You can't go on, you know, Wulan. You like it? Hey, you look like you can't go on, yes? When I want to tell me say no. It's not working out, just stop. It can look like an afro something then. Look. I try my best but it's not working. It's just not working. It not come out like how me think me did want it to look and not so it look. We want it straighter and flatter and all of that, and I hope that I can do a better job the next time that I put this. Me think of the wrong curling iron, the wrong flat iron me use. Me can't remember the brand of this, but this time a long time I have it, so me just say me go try it and see. But honestly, this is not working. this is not working out. And them too many I can't believe like say it is working. If you laugh and I skin up them teeth. We think we are kindergartens or something? Man, go to hell, yo. Yeah, something else. I swear, yeah, something else. Anyway, I do hope you enjoy this little video that I did. If you have any advice on what to do, how to do it, share the video of course with your family and your friends, and most definitely to subscribe for more content, right? Until next time, I will see you very soon. Bye.